In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Minecraft launcher not downloading or installing from the Microsoft Store. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're trying to install Minecraft and it just won't download, here's what you can try. First things first, if you do have Microsoft Store open, go ahead and close it and press the Windows search bar down at the very bottom, and then go ahead and open up your settings. You may have to search for it. But on the left-hand sidebar, what you're looking for is the option for apps. Go ahead and select that, and then go to the installed apps tab up at the very top. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you're going to see an option on here for system components. Go ahead and select that and find Microsoft Store within here. Essentially, go ahead and click the three dots next to it and choose advanced options. And from here, scroll all the way down again, and you're going to look for an option that does say terminate. Go ahead and click it, and then go ahead and click reset, and then go ahead and hit repair right after. Once that is done, go ahead and close everything and search for that Minecraft launcher again in the Microsoft Store and retry downloading it. If it still won't install, just use your web browser instead. Open up a browser. I'm going to use Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like, and just type in Minecraft download and hit enter. From here, go ahead and select Minecraft and sign in with your Microsoft account up in the top right. And from here, you can go ahead and purchase Minecraft. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.